Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So, if you don't know me, I'll just give you a brief introduction about myself. Basically, I am an English learner. I do upload videos on English language. You can see there are multiple videos which I uploaded in YouTube, and so today I'm going to basically speak on the cue card because there is a lot of time where I haven't been able to basically upload videos on cue card. So today is the day where I'm going to speak on the cue card. So let's see like how much I'm able to basically speak because multiple time I uploaded video, but still I haven't basically achieved like basically speak on the cue card at least for 2 minutes. So let's see today. So I pick out one cue card which is about describing a person who likes to read a lot. So this is the cue card for which I'm going to speak. So we need to find out why, what, when, how, where, why, which. So 5W and watch 1H, which is a thing which you can basically buy, which you can basically use to build a story and just try to express it. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So as far as in my life, there are multiple people who read a lot, and I've got to basically suggestion from that. Reading is very wonderful thing for our mind because it helps us to basically get our mind works. So because of that, I basically try some sort of reading in my time as well. And if I talk about like one friend who is read a lot, which is my schoolmate who basically always try to read comics and some sort of things he want to basically read it, whether it is comics or whether it is magazines such as gym magazines or other comics books as a Superman, Batman. This kind of comic books are there. So he still basically read it, and this was a very interesting thing. I always find him like reading whenever he used to get a time where he can basically spend time. Basically, he just want to basically complete his uh, book because he always passionate about reading. So I just got a suggestion from him only that if you want to get a genuine knowledge, so it is a read books which can give you, because I always find if I want to basically learn something, so he suggests me to basically try to basically find out books and then start to read it. So this is the thing which I genuinely like about him, and from him as well I got basically motivated towards reading because he suggests me if I want to uh, basically speak English, and for that should need to basically try to at least read at least 1 to 2 hours a day, because this helps us mind to basically focus on vocabularies and the structure manner of sentences. These all things basically which I've learned from him. And so for the cue card, I think that is it. I should need to basically speak more on the W, what, when, how, where, which. So these all things basically I haven't uh, tried to basically find out, but still I am able to basically speak. That is what more important, and there is meaningful thing which we need to basically actually get whatever we are speaking. So I think I probably speak, and I think there is some sort of meaning of that as well. So on this note, basically that is it. And if you want to basically watch my previous video as well, you can watch it. There are multiple video which I uploaded without basically getting some sort of hesitation towards like what other people thinks, because if you are working, so you don't need to basically see that what other people is thinking about you, because it doesn't matter to him and you as well. So on this note, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.